getting rich on a small salary. Most people believe getting rich is reserved for the lucky, the privileged, or the highly paid. Imagine this. Two people receive the same small salary on the same day. One sighs and says, "How can anyone ever become rich with this?" The other smiles and whispers, "Good. Now every dollar will have a job." Years later, one is still worried about money. The other is free. What made the difference? Let's turn this into a simple story. The story of Alan and the small paycheck. Alan was an ordinary worker. His salary was not impressive. When he looked at flashy cars, expensive phones, and big houses, he often felt behind in life. One evening, he met an old shopkeeper closing his tiny store. The man looked peaceful, unhurried, almost light. "Uncle," Alan asked, "how can you be so calm? Don't you worry about money?" The old man laughed. "I used to. When I was young, I earned very little. That's when I learned the secret." "What secret?" "When money is small, mistakes are loud, so I stopped making them." Alan was confused. The old man continued, "I learned to save before spending. I learned to live below my means. I avoided debt. I invested a little every month. Nothing exciting happened for a long time. But slowly, money began working harder than I did." Alan asked, "But shouldn't I wait until I earn more?" The shopkeeper shook his head. "If you cannot manage small money, big money will manage you." Those words hit Alan hard. Alan tries something different. The next month, Alan made rules. Pay himself first. Track where money goes. Avoid buying things just to impress others. Build savings for emergencies. Invest regularly, even if the amount felt tiny. At first, it felt boring. No applause. No dramatic change. Friends upgraded lifestyles faster than he did. Sometimes he wondered if he was missing out. But he remembered what the shopkeeper had said. Looking rich keeps you poor. Being quiet builds wealth. So he continued, month after month, year after year. The invisible phase. For a long time, nothing looked different. But inside, stress reduced. Confidence increased. Opportunities grew. His savings protected him from panic. His investments began to compound. He could say no to bad choices. One day, Alan noticed something powerful. Bills were no longer scary. Emergencies were manageable. He had options. He wasn't showing wealth. He was feeling freedom. The big realization. Alan finally understood. Getting rich on a small salary is not about drama. It is about repeating small, smart actions long enough for time to reward you. Most people quit because progress is slow. But slow progress is the process. Moral lessons. Wealth is built by habits, not high income. If you can manage little money, you can manage a lot. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Avoid debt. Interest can work for or against you. Consistency beats intelligence and talent. Compounding needs time plus patience plus repetition. Looking rich is easy. Being free requires discipline. Boring actions done for years create extraordinary results. Calm decisions grow money faster than emotional ones. Your small salary is training you for bigger responsibility.